Hello everybody, this is Paul Neese from the Raw Life Health Show, and what is going on in the raw food kitchen today? Got a new kitchen here, and we are coming towards the end of summertime here in South Florida, but this is the pinnacle of the raw season in South Florida. So let me show you guys what I have going on. Over here, these are my new kitchen shelves, the floating shelves in the wall. Spending so much time in the kitchen, not necessarily eating, but making videos and hanging out. I just wanted a lighter space, and I got it now. But here on the shelf, we got these avocados. And these are Florida avocados. They came right from my tree. And the problem with this is, look how many I have. It's not a problem, but that's a lot of avocados, and they all ripen at the same time. So somebody's eating guacamole coming up soon here. And what else do we got going on? Let's see. So, I just ate a mamey, which is a mamey sapote. In my yard, I have 3 mamey sapote trees. They're all very young, but this was from the local store. I do have some sugar apple trees in my yard, and a couple of weeks ago, I did pull some really big sugar apples off there, but we just got this at the local store. This is also known as the Adamoya. But there's sugar apples, so there's a green one and there's a purple one. These are relatively small, but they are excellent. We also got guava, but not just any guava. These are white guava. Even though they're yellow, they're called white guavas. So on the inside, they're white. And I normally don't like guavas, but these I particularly like. They're much softer. Got some more avocados going on over here. And believe it or not, I know it looks like I eat a lot of fruit, but I eat about 50% fruit and 50% greens. And 50% nothing. So I don't eat all the time, but when I do eat, I make sure it's fun and exciting. Star fruits, it's crazy. It's growing on a tree still. There's so many of those. My favorite fruit, and my friend has a bunch growing on his tree right now. I don't have any growing on my trees yet, but this is a soursop, also known as guanabana. This is probably one of my top 3 fruits out there that I love. So I named top 3, right? So I love so many fruits. I have the guanabana that I love. I actually had a persimmon today, which was really nice because it was a local persimmon. But guanabana, durian is one of my favorite fruits, but I can't get that on a regular basis. And here is another one of my top 3 probably. Anyone know what that is? That's a jackfruit. Jackfruit. And I have 3 trees right now. I'm about to get 2 more. And this came from a local tree, not one of mine, but a local tree, and excited about that. And that's what's going on in the raw food kitchen. Let's maybe take a look in the freezer here. We got a whole bunch of frozen fruit for smoothies. We got some frozen bananas. These bananas, some of them are from the store and some of them are right from my tree. Also got some frozen fruit, blueberries and strawberries. It's not the best, but get organic blueberries and strawberries at Costco. When you look for money-wise, that's probably a pretty good deal for organic food. Oh, look, there we go. So here's let me show you guys here. That's a jackfruit. Actually, 2 jackfruits. Two. So there it is. So that's a jackfruit. And I got a box of macadamia nuts from Hawaii. So what I try to do is, even though I still get some stuff at Costco, some nuts and stuff, you get a good deal. What I try to do is buy a lot of my stuff either in local stores or through the mail. I try not, and I'm not perfect, but I do my best not to get to the local supermarkets. Maybe a local small family business, or if a place I know sells fruit, but not the typical standard supermarket store. I do go there, but it's not my first choice. And I do order stuff through the mail. It's all good, impulsive and stuff through the mail. It's all good. And so yeah, it's just really nice. So that's what I got going on here right now. And am I gonna eat all this in one day? Absolutely not. Oh, check that out. I got the rocking the bamboo straws. Rawlife.com, bamboo straws. Say no to plastic. But no, I don't eat all this every day. This probably, it'll take me a week to eat all this food I just showed you. and it's not longer. Or I could just throw it in a smoothie and have a smoothie, right? But it's all good in Paul's Hood, and yeah, I do eat a good amount of greens, and even though it looks like I eat a lot of fruit and I have fruit flies all over the place, I do not eat a lot of anything, and that's the key, is just enjoy what you're eating, but don't overdo it. I'm not a big fan of, oh, eat everything in moderation, because something bad in moderation is still bad, but something good, overdoing it, becomes bad. So one more thing I'll show you. The dehydrated is rolling right now. Another fruit that is become more popular in the United States is called dragon fruit. But a lot of people don't normally do this with dragon fruit. Check this out. Dried dragon fruit. I mean this. Dried dragon fruit. This. Too good. Too good. Now, I'm not a big fan of dehydrated food. I love the way it tastes, but I prefer food with liquid in it. But dried dragon fruit, so good, so good. All right, if you've never seen any of these fruits before, if you have, put below the video what your favorite fruits are. What's your top 3? What's your top 10? And you can get all these. It's pretty easy these days. Through the mail, you can order all these different fruits. There's a place down here called Miami Fruit. I think it's miamifruit.com, but just check out Miami Fruit, and you can mail order all these through the mail anywhere in the country. So enjoy, have a great day, and remember, put those comments below the video. Let me know what your top 10 fruits are, okay? Have a good day.